I went out was somewhere around 8 o'clock at night to do some night photography, and I went to the beach. Still, there is a lot of restaurants around the area. They are open still. It's a lot of lightings and so on. So I walked on the beach and so looking around to see where I can set up my camera and take some photos, because actually I'm looking for a bit of more lights. I can see the lights not hidden between behind the trees and so on. So it was I walked somewhere around say 10-20 minutes around the beach, and was nice and peaceful, a lot of people around, and so I found the spot I'm looking for. And there I went to the beach where there's the water basically, and I was surprised to see so many people still swimming and kids playing. But hey, that is Thailand for you. Thai people never sleeps look like, but it is really enjoyable. The country is full of surprises, is full of energy, and amazingly it's full of life at all times. It's really always, they surprise me, those Thai people. Then I was looking at where to set up my camera and so on. So, but still I was looking, and all this commotion is happening around me. So many people. There's some lights there, which works very nice. So I thought I will be walking around and checking the spot first, and if there is any better place to set up. If there is any, it would be good. If there is none, then I'll go back to where I started. So there I'm looking, people playing, people having fun. There's a bunch of them that were playing. I think it was the whole family. And then I went back to where I was and start looking at it. Yeah, that's a good spot to set up. And here I set up my camera and to photographs and start doing something. But in the meanwhile, I was looking. Now, to tell you, there is someone with me. I'm teaching them how to implement the exercise or the technique I am doing. So while I was setting up my camera and talking to the person, making sure getting the right information from me. Now, all these techniques and so on will be implemented into this video. I will show you afterwards how it's done. While I was setting up and talking to the person, I was looking for my next shot. So always look around. Like I did see this one, the lady and the little girl with flickering lights. I thought, okay, that would be my next move when I finish. So I was looking at them, making sure I do not lose them in the crowd. So there I'm implementing some photos. You will see them afterwards. As there, I'm taking some photos of the kids playing, and if I see any lighting and so on with the kids, like the flickering lighting on the little girl was there earlier, I follow them and I take some photos. So I spent some time there, and then it was end of the day, end of the night. Was now by somewhere around 9:30, 10 o'clock. So, and I had something to do with my partner to go have dinner with some friends. So I start packing, and so I went to see my partner.
I think
A lot of cars. So we're gonna go eat something for dinner, and check this guy. It's there. Then we come here. This way is not too bad. This one here. We come and eat something. This way. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. You sit there.
and you come.
He's coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, huh?
Okay. So we're gonna come, and this girl, she gonna serve us, and this lovely lady gonna serve us, or who gonna serve us? Eh? And Chucky too. Chucky having dinner with us.
You look at me. เอาอะไรดี
So what are we ordering? I ordered this one.
นี่ไง
There.
สรุปแล้วเอาผัดใส่อะไรผัดผักรวมอ่ะผัดรวมใส่หมูนี่แหละ
Lexi's on a diet. She doesn't want to eat. What do you think, Andrew? Good idea? She's on a diet.
นี่ค่ะวันออนไดเอทข้าวรับเลยนะคะเอาข้าวข้าวแบบข้าวสวยหรือข้าวผัดคะอ้อมค่ะ
Where's this one here?
ซอยซอสอันนี้ต้มยำไหนพูดซิต้ม
Tom
ยำ
yum. That's tom yum.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And Lexi got prawns, rice, Andrew the same.
นี่ไง
No, the much.
เอาก่อน
And that's it. The food was not very nice, was it?
แกคุณบอกว่าไม่อร่อยเลย
Was not nice at all. I didn't like it. Okay guys, now what we're doing is, it's night time as you can see, and I'm looking at the lights. I want to work out with the lights how they're going to be, and what I'm doing is abstract lighting, and so basically I'm moving the lighting to go backward and forward, and with the lens of course, so I can get this light coming. It's like a string of lights is coming through. So now if I do, this is what I'm doing there. As you can see, I'm putting it on 1 of the 30th second, 6.3, and it is on ISO 50. So I'm taking a long shutter speed. So what I'm doing is basically goes there and there and there. I'm moving it not very slow, but slow enough, okay, till the shutter stops, until it comes out and finish, right? So, and then I will get the strings of light on it, and kind of in the middle it become like a tunnel. So that's in my camera shot, and that's the second shot. So all what I did is this there, that's there, yeah, it goes there and back, forward, back, forward, back. As long I've got it on a tripod, that is fine, because eliminating all the movements in the camera. All what I'm doing, very softly and nicely. Do not put you almost, you know, just kind of, and that's there, and that's there. So I did the same thing with this shot here. So I didn't get enough lights there. I tried a couple of times, but I didn't get it. So it's I just show you on the camera what I have, just making sure you see. That's what I had in my camera. So I'm gonna show you on the computer. It will look much nicer. So tomorrow I will fix it up for you. Okay guys, second thing is I did is I moved the camera that way, this way, there, like so. And then in the middle, like say took 30 seconds, 15 seconds, one of the 15 I done like so. And then the other one of the 15th I did there. Okay, so I played with it so much with the camera and so on, making sure I get some different kind of lighting in there. So you make sure play up with the light, play up with the camera, and then you get results, real abstract images, which is I think looks beautiful. Guys, if you like my video and produce more of photography videos, please do so. Leave a comment there, or I keep vlogging on traveling videos only. I thank you for your time. Please subscribe and like. Appreciate your company.